Yes, babe. Yes, I got it.
Previously on Trio. Hey Trio Tribe, welcome back. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please take a minute to do so. And if you want to spend an incredible week sailing with us aboard our 42-foot catamaran, Saltaire 3, check out the Sail With Us page on our website, triotravels.ca. So last time at Trio, we woke up to a gorgeous morning at Isla, Mujeres, Mexico. But stormy weather, packing wind with speeds upwards of 50 knots, was forecast for later in the week. So we hauled anchor and made the move to the more sheltered waters of the lagoon to try and safely weather out the storm. Early on, near the beginning of the storm, one of our mooring lines failed, making us scramble out on deck in high wind and rain for a little while. But other than that, nothing too serious happened to Saltaire 3, and we woke up to a beautiful sunshine-filled morning in the lagoon. But a few of the other boats weren't quite so lucky. This time on Trio, Cole and Brad take the dinghy out to the main anchorage to see if they can lend a helping hand with the aftermath of the storm.
So it's the day after the storm last night, and Cole and I were just gonna go and see if we can lend a hand out in the bay. I just heard on the radio that somebody just got untangled from the other boat that they were tangled up in from all the wind. It didn't sound like they need any help, but we're gonna go out and check on it anyways and see if we can have a look at what's going on. All right, first mate, let's do this.
It's still really cold though.
Oh, it's totally cold. It's 21 Celsius, I believe. Oh, sorry, we're tied off still.
And now you're tangled. Look at this.
All right, we're dialed in. Let's go check it out. See what happens. So I've said it before, normally in the lagoon, there's hardly any boats, except when a blow comes. And even then, in all the weeks that we've spent in here, I've never seen any more than 2 boats come into the lagoon to drop the hook. Today, there's about 11 in here. It looks like more, but there's some tied off at docks. This guy's right in the middle of the channel. I'm sure that hasn't been fun, but there's no party boats coming through today so far, so he'll probably, I would think he would move out of the channel soon. I heard that green boat, green and yellow boat there last night, they dragged. I heard that on the radio. That boat there, their jib came out and was flapping all over the place right in the height of all the wind. They still have a yellow Q flag up. They were struggling last night. And I've never seen anybody anchor up there. That's pretty shallow. So we're coming out into the bay now. There's a beautiful tall mast ship out here. They were having a hard time getting their anchor down last night, so they just motored around until the storm ended. But it looks like they've got their anchor down. Oh, look at Molly J. Oh, and there's the cat. Let's go over here first of all. Oh, gosh. Need another boat? Ooh. Everything's safe on the boat though? No, everything's safe? You okay? Yeah? Okay. Yeah. So that's the French boat that ended up obviously in the mangroves. Luckily it's sandy there.
Oh, look at that.
And there's Molly J on their side. Molly J's really worried. Let's have a closer look into the wake. Yeah, Molly J's in trouble. Wow. That must have been scary last night. They broke their mooring. They weren't anchored. They broke their mooring. no action. I heard on the radio they're waiting for her later to help Molly J get off where they are stuck. Cool, he's missing his mast. His mizzen mast is at a huge angle. He was stuck on the hard before, and now his mast is all messed up. I don't know if you can see that. He's on it. I don't want to interfere in his privacy, so we won't go any closer. I'm gonna go out and see the tall ship, but it's getting rough and I'm getting wet in my nice clean shorts, but we'll keep going. This is the one last night that came in late, and they couldn't drop the anchor either. There was so much wind, they just motored around until the storm ended. But wow, that's a big, beautiful ship. Wow. Yeah, very cool. It's a steel boat. Pretty neat. That's cool, hey?
That looks really difficult to run though.
Yeah, it does. It's not sailing like we know it. That's sailing hundreds of years ago. The way it started, yeah. Wow, look at that spread. Okay, Cole, let's go forward a bit. Come to starboard just a bit. There you go. Beautiful boat. Okay. I'm getting wet. Let's. Oh, okay. Call us a photo. Did you get one? All right. Well, when you're in the Isla Mujeres, here's a little tip. Any place it's difficult to find somewhere to drop the trash. It's nice on Isla Mujeres. The local government keeps trash bins placed along the road every kilometer or so. So they're all for public use. The problem is finding one. And we're going to shore. I know there's one here because we walked past it. Now we're gonna go drop our trash. So just find a trash can, a big trash bin on the shore when you're walking, memorize where it was, and then go on into shore to drop it off. Yep, I'll take it with me. Put my sandals on because I can't see bottom, and I'm afraid there's probably a broken beer bottle here. All this wasn't here the last couple days, just from this storm. It all got washed up. And like I said, trash right there. All right, well, nobody needs our help out here, doesn't look like, so we're gonna head on back to the boat. All right, let's go, Cole. So we're heading back in. Those guys are still in rough shape. They didn't ruin their keel. But, reverie move.
So today's boat project is trying to replace a hatch cover. And, well, not a hatch cover, a hatch window, I guess. The glass. And we can't seem to get it out. The overhang over the salon makes it difficult to get any tools in there. So this is Brad's position, and then there's a wall here creating some shade.
Should have seen my position a few minutes ago. All right, that's good. Oh wait, no, it's gonna be a little higher.
Wait, I'm slipping.
Oh, there, that's better.
Make a little fort.
So we spent 2 days on this. I couldn't find any information for this hatch on Lumar's website or in any of the forums that I read. And go figure, not on YouTube either. So I tried calling a couple of chandleries that sold them. They couldn't help me. And I tried contacting Lumar. I sent pictures. Haven't heard anything back, so we're just gonna go for it and hopefully it works out. Then I'm gonna take the hatch into Mexico and see if I can get somebody over in Mexico to put new glass into it.
We are in Mexico, Dad.
We are in Mexico. I'm gonna take it over to Cancun. We're in Isla, Mujeres. Okay, let you know how it goes. And now I think, oh,
You get it?
I think almost. Get a bigger hammer, a bigger plier in this case. I don't know if this is gonna fit on. It's so tight in there. Yes, babe. Yes, I got it. That
Nice
sounds
work.
bad. Can you say yes, babe? Yes. Yes, babe. Yes. Look at that, I got it out. Now the other one. 2 days I spent at this thing. I have to show you the position I was in earlier after I shoot you right now, because this is a crazy.
More boat yoga.
Okay, so let me just show everybody the crazy position I've been in for the last 4 hours. Maybe not 4 hours, but.
It's like worse than the dentist.
And I was there yesterday too for.
Because you have all the fun.
I was there yesterday for an hour and a half getting a new crown. So this is the position I've been working in. With my hands trying to get underneath this thing here. And I've had at least 8 emails back and forth with different pictures, people trying to give me the different ones they think it is. And I've been on the YouTube.
On the YouTube.
On the YouTube.
Anyway, in the end, you fixed it out on your own.
Yes, on my own without.
You had to sleep on it.
It's good because I made a really stupid mistake last night doing something else, electrical. Yes, babe, here it comes. Woohoo! There it is.
Nice. Nice work.
Take my silly glasses off.
Okay, say cheese and hold that little piece up.
Can I hold the? I can't remember which way it goes in because I can't remember. I just pulled it out.
Oh, you can figure that out later.
I'm guessing it's this part because I sprayed this part. Ooh, I'll lose those.
Pointy part in would make sense.
Okay.
Oh, yay! That's awesome.
I need to get a better smile. I'll put my
Okay.
sunnies on so I can smile.
All right.
You're still recording, which is fun.
I'm trying to, well,
Turn the
the social media manager is having a hard time because I'm trying to like film and I'm trying to get some photos for Facebook and Instagram and all that other good stuff. So, you know. Oh, and I dropped the phone in the toilet, so the photos only work on selfie mode now. So it's like a dog and pony show around here. Okay, one more photo.
live on the boat, drop it in a toilet.
Right?